Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a hard drive password on HONOR MagicBook. To set the hard drive password, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, you can go to the security setting, and here you see three positions. There's the setup password, post password, and HDD user password. The setup administrator password will be asked whenever you want to open BIOS, the post password whenever you want to turn on your laptop, and HDD user password will be asked whenever you want to boot into system, so from the hard drive. So if you're booting from a USB drive, then it will not be asked, but if you want to do anything on your hard drive, then it'll be asked on the boot up. So I'm gonna click on enter, then enter the new password, hit on enter and re-enter it, then enter, enter, and now to save it you need to click on F10 and enter. Now let's see, it'll reboot, it should reboot into system and it should ask me for the password. No, it actually didn't, so let's try shutting down the laptop. And I'm gonna go into BIOS. Let's see, maybe it's not what I think it is. No, actually it is. So I need to select the disk that I want to boot from, I believe, then enter the password for it. Okay, but I was going into BIOS, so now if I shut down my laptop and boot it, let's see, without going to BIOS. Yes, so it is exactly how I wanted it to be. I can select the hard disk that I want to boot from, then enter its password. And without it, I will not be able to boot from the hard disk. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.